and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing an unboxing and review with Duvolle. So Duvolle sent me this curling wand, and as you can see, I love the packaging. It's all about the packaging, guys. So I will be doing a review on here of this. So let's get into this review. So when you open it, I'll show you guys what it looks like. If I could get it open. So when you open it, look at that. It just looks so pretty. Oh, right. And this, I will be keeping the packaging. I love when packaging looks good. Definitely is a keeper, and you gotta use it for storage. So this is what it looks like on the inside when you open it. And when you, so let me take it out. So I have to take it out, and okay. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. And nice. Oh, that is like a nice fuchsia pink. All right, so let me unravel it to plug this bad boy in, because today's video I will be curling my hair with the curling wand. So get ready with me with using this bad boy as well. So I'm going to plug it in and see how quick this bad boy heats up. So let me plug it in and I'll show you what else comes in the package. So I've plugged it in and I'm gonna turn it on. So when you turn it on, the blue light comes on. This is where it came. And then when you open up the inside, you would get, ooh, it comes with a glove, so you can put it on for your safety. And it also comes with a manual, so very good. And I think it's good storage as well. It comes with the wand. It comes with the glove, so you could put it on. So you could put the glove on, and it helps to actually protect you from burning your hands. So when you're doing your hair, you use it like this. To take it down. So let me unravel my hair. And as you guys can see, I am wearing a wig. This wig is a headband wig from UNICE hair. Definitely go and check them out. They have some great deals going on right now. So I am just going to brush this hair down a bit, and I'm going to curl this hair and show you guys what it looks like. So I'm gonna start from the back. So let me kind of separate some pieces from the back. Seen curling wands and always wanted to try one, so it was really nice of the company to reach out to me and send me this product. So thank you, Duvolle, for this lovely gift. I will sure make good use of it. First strand here. So, and it is hot. I could feel the heat from it across my face. So hopefully I do this bad boy right. Right. Okay. And hold it there for a second. And you see the glove can let you able to actually hold the hair, which is good. And ooh, look at that curl, guys. But you see, to get it even more curlier, what you would need is some pin rods, which I don't have. And then you would literally just wrap your hair around it. So this is something I gotta get used to doing. Still curling the hair, and it is going great. Woo! Woo! This hair, it's hot. I would recommend not wearing a tank top when curling hair, and if you do, make sure to put on something over your shoulder. If you guys would like dollars off at Duvolle, you can definitely use my code Shan70. I will definitely put it right here on the screen. So Shan70 to get dollars off, and it is definitely worth the buy, guys. Definitely worth the buy. And they don't just have wands, they have curling irons, they have flat irons, they have facial stuff, spin brushes, they have a whole bunch of stuff as well. So definitely check their website out, and yeah, use my code to get 70% off, guys, on your purchase. So I'm just gonna do the other side, and when I finish I will be back. I'm going to comb out my hair. So as you could see, I just finished curl wanding my hair, and this is the finished results. What do you guys think? I love the look so far. So I'm just gonna tweeze the top a little, and I'm going to put on my headband, and that is it for this video, guys. Oh, let me get this headband on. Don't mind my hair. I look a little bit cray-cray, but that's okay. Okay, so I got my band on. Let me just adjust this. Okay, so I'm just gonna run my hand. I'm just gonna run my fingers through the curls them a little bit, fluff the top. Okay, because I want it a little bit fluffed. All right, and fluff down here. Oh, I love it, guys. What do you think? Ooh! So I love the curls and love it. For the first time trying a curling one, I love the curls to it. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to come on over and join Shan Studio, where I have plenty of videos like this. And if you guys have any video suggestions that you guys would also like to see, don't forget to leave them in the comments below. And to get dollars off, like I said, on this amazing product right here. So to get amazing discounts on this products right here by Duvolle, don't forget to go down, and I will link their website in the description below. All products that was used today will definitely be in the description below. And my code SHAN70 to get dollars off products like this or any other products that they have on their website. Just go and check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.